Hi everyone, I am back with another project share. Okay, I can tell I'm not even going to be able to talk on this one. And it is a new wall hanging, a doily wall hanging. And this is the image I used. So it's not necessarily Christmas, but it's a winter image, and I just love it. And I started off with one of these fabric doilies with the crochet around the edges from Donna Little, and then I added a little bit larger crochet doily on top of that, and then this crochet doily on top of that. That's kind of like a star shape. And then I added my image, and then I just proceeded from there. I started off with the dangles down the bottom, and I'll start from the front. There's this one here, and then there's this one here. And then there's 2 rows of this one. So those are the dangles at the bottom. And then, let's see, this is a part of a applique that I had cut pieces out of. And I added a bling piece in the middle. Here's another piece of an applique. I cut them up and then I kind of spread them around. I think this goes with this side piece here. And then here's a piece of a different applique here. And then there's more pieces that I just added to fit around the image. And I added more rhinestones in the flower centers. And this started off as a doily. And the shape of a flower, it was the middle of a doily, and then I added a little flower piece here, and then this here I cut up to fit, but this was all part of one flowery applique, and then I added the blue acrylic with the rhinestone flowers for in the middle, and then this one here I made using a couple different little pieces, and then the clay flower, and then here's part of another one. And anybody that knows me knows I like to take appliques and cut them to make them either fit a shape or just turn them into something a little different. And then here's some more clay flowers with these little flowers I made. So that's it, really quick, and I like how it came out. And then I used a piece of white seam binding, for the hanger. But yeah, I like the size of it. It's a little bigger than some of the ones that I make, and I just love the different doilies that I was able to use. The one, like I said, it's shaped in a star, and then this one is more like a scallop shape. So that's my doily wall hanging, and I can't fit it all in. I don't think I was able to fit it all in, but you can see most of it. So that's it. I have a couple of more projects to share at some point, but not sure where it's close to Christmas if I'll get anything more on video yet, or if it'll be after Christmas. But if I don't, then I will say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone. And I hope you all have the most wonderful holiday. And I will see you again soon. Bye for now.